Rupert for those that are new here. So today I did one of the TikTok challenges. So you count up how many numbers of eyeshadows you have, and then you put in a generator. You do 3, you choose it. So this is what I got. It's different, it's hot pink. I usually probably wouldn't do that. Anyways, you can find on my TikTok, which is Alicia_Justine, or I can link it down below. Otherwise, this is the look I did, and yeah, feel free to watch along. Otherwise, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you so much. First, we're gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It's a pore minimizing one. My sister, if you're watching, big ol' shout out. As per every other video, we're gonna go in with the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. For foundation, we're gonna do the Wet n Wild foundation. We're using soft beige. Bronzer today, we're going to go in with this guy here. I'm going to take this. I find it really thick myself, so I always either get like a little oil on there, like a face oil, or I'll just spray a brush. Today I'm just going to take some Fix Plus and I'm just going to spray it on the brush. Okay, for concealer, we're going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I actually haven't used Shape Tape in so long, I'm not sure why. I don't know. So I did do a liquid highlight yesterday, so I think I'm going to keep that going. So again, going in with the Cover FX Custom Drops. Just going to take a little bit on my finger. To brighten up the under eye, we're going to go in with the Kat Von D Lock It and Petal. Setting powder today, the usual Huda Beauty in Banana Bread. So for anyone who uses TikTok, I'm sure you guys have seen the makeup challenge where you basically put random numbers into a computer generator. So you count out how many colors there are in a palette. Again, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill one. There's 35 in here, so I'll post the video, but I did use the random computer generator. It gave me this color and then these two. So I'm for sure gonna use those 3. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add anything else in, but we will see. Anyways, I'll post the video like I said, and we'll get a makeup look from it. I kind of wish that they did like those colors to be forced to use them, but I'll settle on these ones. It'll be fine. So we're gonna go and put number 16 here in the crease. This guy here and here. I think I'm gonna add this one to darken up the crease. So far, we'll see when I add this guy in because she's pretty bright. I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix Powder. I use NC40 and I'm just going to clean up the line. To bronze the face, may as well go in with this guy here. We're going to take the color Sculpt. For highlights, since we're using this palette anyways, this one is really dirty somehow, so let's use that. But we're going to go in with these highlighters. I am probably going to mix them all. If you've ever seen my other videos, you'll know that I really love highlight. No such thing as too much, so that's just what I prefer. You guys do what you prefer, obviously, but we'll stick to this for right now and, you know, just kind of see what happens. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to go in with the Nicole palette. I'm going to take the white shade. And then since it's out anyways, I may as well just add a little bit of this to my face as well. For blush today, we're going to go in with the Kat Von D Everlasting and Foxglove. As well as the Too Faced Sweet Peach or Sugar Peach palette. And I'm going to take these two and just kind of mix them. I haven't done eyeliner in a while. I don't know why, I just feel like it's not really something that I do anymore. But you know what, we may as well today, right? Right. So so I'm going to take the Sephora eyeliner long lasting liner. It's this guy here. It's honestly not bad. Typically I would use like a Steeler or the Kat Von D one. I just find they dry out really easily and I go through really often, so today I'm going to use this one. I also haven't done a winged eyeliner in a long time, so we'll see how it turns out. This guy on our waterline, it's just the NYC. It's super old. I'm sure I really shouldn't be putting on my eye, but that's fine. For my lower lash line today, we're going to go in with the G Money, what we started with. My makeup area is such a fucking mess right now, so if you see me just looking around, I'm honestly just trying to find product. Alright, so for eyebrows, we're going to go in with the Gimme Brow. I use shade 1. I'm going to set it with the Jeffree Star Morphe setting spray. I'm going to go put some eyelashes on, and then as per usual, I'll be back, so just give me a second. Also, before I put my eyelashes on, sorry, I just thought I'd show you guys which ones I'm using. So these ones are called Farrah. They are the Faux Mink Huda Beauty ones. I've never actually used them. They are fresh, so I'm excited to see what they look like, but I thought I'd show you guys them here before I put them on. Anyways, I'll be back with them. Right, so the eyelashes are on. Again, those were Farrah number 12 in the Huda Beauty. And then a look isn't complete without putting our hoops on. So, hoops 2020, you know how it be. Per usual, I'm waiting for the eyelash glue to dry. So in the meantime, that felt weird. In the meantime, we're gonna put some lipstick on. I'm not really sure yet, so we'll see. Part of me wants to go weird and do this. I don't know. I have so many weird ones that I want to use, and I may as well because I'm not really gonna leave the house, right? So no one's gonna see me. Fuck it. I'm gonna go in with this guy here. So it's Huda Beauty in Gossip Girl. I'm 97% sure I look like a clown. Maybe we'll take a little girlfriend here. I honestly don't like this either, so that's cool. I would say that this is better, not best. I'll probably wipe it off once I'm done this video, but I'm just gonna go put mascara on because I don't have it right beside me, and then I will be back yet again. Alright, so I'm back with the mascara on. I switched up my lipstick. I did the Charlotte Tilbury in Very Victoria with NARS Orgasm. I'm sure you can't tell much of a difference. I just felt like I looked like a clown before, so just thought I'd switch it up. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy your day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks.